Hey everybody, this is Main Gamer Pie King here. I'm going to do a quick little fireworks stash. It's part 1 because this is like all the fireworks from last year. So just to warn you, these are going to be kind of bent up and crap like that. But okay, first we're going to start off snaps. I think you always need at least $1 snaps. Some more snaps. A few snakes here and there. My little cousin, he likes to play with them. I don't really. Some more. Those are like the jumbo snaps. A lone snake. A lone chicken. Let's see, so bent up. Then we got some mudslingers. They're pretty good firecrackers. I like them. They pop pretty loud. Then we got some M60s. They're okay. They're not as loud as a bang as I'd like them to be, but they're pretty good. So yeah, that's my part 1 of my fireworks stash right now. In a few more weeks, I should be doing another fireworks stash. So yeah, see you then. This is Main Gamer Pie King signing out.